Yes! Guys, what is going on? I'm actually pretty excited. I just came home from work. I'm still in work clothes, whatever. Do not care because I just came home to some JDM goodies and we are gonna open these things right now. I'm pretty sure I crossed out my address on everything. Maybe not. I don't know, but we're gonna open this. Super excited. Yes, guys, yes. Be sure not to cut anything. Oh, I can't open this thing. Oh my god, there's so much. Alright, there you go. Yes. Alright guys, so we got a new JDM front grill. Now if you didn't know, we already had this grill. But I actually I broke my other one and it's really bad. Actually, I'll get it right now. So this was the original one that we first got, and one of my older videos we got this about a little less than a year ago, maybe over a year, I'm not really sure, but it broke. I won't go into how it cracked, but I'm sure people can figure it out. But it broke and I went to some shops. Honestly, it's really not that bad, but a bunch of shops told me that they couldn't really fix it, which I don't really see why they couldn't fix that, honestly. But I mean, hey, if you want this, let me know. I'll sell it for pretty low. But I just got another one because whatever. So I bought another one. This is literally the same thing, but now it's actually paint matched in the actual the actual silver that I need for my car. All right, whatever. So this is part number 2. I don't know how to pronounce this actually, but pretty stoked on this little thing. So the proper pronunciation are Tsurikawas. Tsurikawas. Is that the proper term? I'm not probably butchering this. I apologize. I'm sorry. I'm not fucking Japanese. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked on it. Super sick. I got a heart because, you know, peace, love. You know, we're gonna put the JDM front grille on the car. Put this on the car. Stupid beeping always. Today, like I said, you guys saw we're unboxing, where we unboxed the JDM parts we got. They're in the back, all nice and cozy. Boop, 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 boop. Pretty excited about the grill and the Sumikawa. I don't know, it looks cool. Anyways, we're gonna go to this location that I know to install the parts because my apartment complex doesn't let you like work on your car inside the spots, which is kind of annoying, but I mean, I get it. Let's get going. I have a few things I gotta do before we go to the location to install these, so let me go before it gets too dark and you guys won't be able to see. So yeah, let's go. Since my spot was overrun by, because where I go there's like a little bicycle track or whatever, so a lot of people go there to like ride their bikes around. It was literally mobbed today because I guess today is like one of like the nicer days that it's been out, but it was literally mobbed. So fuck it, we're doing it in the street. I really don't care. Let's get this let's get these things on. I really don't care at this point. So it's on, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty bummed that it's there's such a gap. Maybe I ordered the wrong one. I don't know, but whatever. Let's close the hood and see what it looks like. This is basically what the USDM grill sits at. Oh well. So I mean, it looks better. It's just not what I wanted, honestly. I really thought that it would cover this gap, and I'm pretty sure this gap was here because it was a JDM bumper, but this is literally straight from Japan, like. So I'm not really sure if it's just made for maybe the Spec B JDM bumper sits higher. I'm not really sure. It looks good, goodish. Whatever. Well, I'll take that out. Whatever. Anyways. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Alexis literally just flew past me and hit this bump. This bump right here. Literally flew past me, hit this bump, and like launched his car in the air like an idiot. Thought he was cool revving past me, but you're not cool there, guy. Alright? But we're gonna put this thing. As you can see, we're basically touching the floor with this thing. It literally was dragging, but then I wrapped it around the tow hook like twice. This way it wouldn't actually physically drag. It's probably going to drag when you hit bumps and stuff, but that's literally the point of this thing, so looks pretty good. What do you think? Or should we put it inside? Leave it? Let it rock? I don't know how I really feel about it hanging out the back right now. Honestly, I thought it would look different. If that makes sense, I don't know. And the grill, I'm a little upset about the grill, so all the plans that I was super excited for kind of threw a monkey wrench in it, like always, typical Brandon fashion. That's just my luck. I don't know. I'm gonna roll around with the heart in the back for like a little bit, and then if I don't like it, I'll just throw it up in the inside, and people could see it through my window, I guess. All right, guys. So as you can see, things didn't really go as planned with anything. So I was talking to my friend Greg, and he told me that I literally ordered the wrong grill. That grill is one of the only JDM grills that actually fit USDM bumpers. So I ordered the wrong grill. So with that being said, if you guys want to purchase that grill, it will be for sale soon. So you can hit me up on Instagram if you're not following me on Instagram. You should be following me on Instagram. The link is in the description. Hit me up. Let me know if you want it. It's first come, first serve. Whoever hits me up first and like literally talk about it, pays, whatever, we'll get it. But so I'm reselling it because it doesn't fit, and we're going to order a correct one. Whatever, it is what it is. My advice: next time you buy JDM parts and they literally take like 2 months to get to you, make sure they fit your car. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button. Want to see more? Hit that subscribe button. If you got any questions, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one.